If we just look at our adult med-surg occupancy, we have this 14-day high of 118%, and we have unfortunately had a few cancellations over the course of the last 10 days as a result of the occupancy. I will remind everyone we are not fully ramped up back to our pre-COVID surgical activity volumes and remain around 85%.
It's important to get the flu vaccine in addition to your COVID vaccines to protect others, including your patients, because both vaccines reduce the risk of transmitting these viruses, but also protect you directly from being more severely sick, being bedbound, etc. You can see the hours of the employee health services when you can go and get your flu vaccines at all the sites, typically from 8:30 to 3:30 on weekdays. And of course, you can get your vaccine also through Hamilton Public Health in the pharmacies later on. Please get vaccinated. If you haven't get the COVID vaccine, it's not too late yet. And the flu vaccine would be the next on the menu.
We are also in the process of finalizing those updates to the policy itself to reflect our move to mandatory vaccination on November 30th. The requirement to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 will be a permanent policy here at HHS, similar to many other vaccination requirements and responsibilities we have as healthcare workers. This requirement has been in place for all new hires to HHS. We will ensure that our renewed policy is shared with you as soon as it becomes available on the policy library.
The most important piece towards a successful go live, beyond just designing the system, is to having our staff as fully trained and comfortable as we possibly can. We had a manager and other leaders webinar yesterday to introduce the process by which individuals will be registered for training. There's a second event scheduled for 2 weeks from now. Physicians will be running in a parallel system towards that training activity as well.
We're seeing increasing inequities, which are often resulting from poverty, homelessness, and social isolation. As the largest employer in the region, we all have the power to help. Amongst the most impactful ways to provide support is through a one-time gift or a payroll deduction donation. And if you're already enrolled in the payroll deduction, we encourage you to take a look and see if you can increase what you are contributing. If it's within your means, we would encourage you to do this and really appreciate your thought around this. This goes directly to United Way Halton and Hamilton, which is a vital community partner.
You know, you're being pulled in many directions, and these are very difficult conversations that we're having right now. So we do appreciate the time you're giving us. But I hope everyone has a safe and fun Halloween weekend if you celebrate, and enjoy that. Thank you.